Okay, got it. All right, so we have an amazing lending ICO coming on an amazing day, Christmas Day. This lending ICO opens. Today's Christmas Eve, but you can still get an account and drop some Bitcoin in, and we're going to share with you a little bit of things about this ICO, this lending ICO called MONYX or MONYX, whatever you want to call it. MONYX, sorry, MONYX. MONYX is a coin I've already bought, so got those two confused. But this is MONYX. MONYX or MONYX, however you want to say it, is the ICO for today. We're also going to share with you an article about how to talk about crypto to your family. Two things that will help you tomorrow get through Christmas if you are into cryptocurrencies. And here we are. Just give me a second. Find the right tab. Okay, MONYX. MONYX coin. Why am I so excited about this coin? Well, a couple of reasons. You will probably be just as excited after we go over this. So, just to let you know, I did send some money over to test this out. How you would do that would be, well, you'd make an account, and then you'd either, well, if you're in the ICO dashboard here, you can see deposit Bitcoins here. That's just going to take you right back to where I was into your dashboard or your wallets, sorry. And then you have a referral link up here, or you can just deposit. Withdrawal is going to be available after, see, the exchange is launching directly after the ICO. This is going to be a very fast ICO, fast returns, and guaranteed returns of 10 to 100 times gains, guaranteed, within 2018. This is the Bitconnect of 2018 for sure, but it's not just Bitconnect. It takes it to a whole another level and uses AI, artificial intelligence, arbitrage, all sorts of things that this AI bot, these AI bots are going to do. And they're not really just bots, they're really AI that they're going to implement. They already run this, so they've been profiting for a while off of this, doing it themselves, and they've said, hey, why not take it public? So it's a tried and tested method and idea. So you just press deposit. You'd have to put the amount. Minimum is 0.001, which you know, lots of you are probably going to be happy about. You don't have to invest 0.01. You can invest 0.001 Bitcoin, and then you press deposit. And it wasn't working for me the first couple times I tried to do it. It was giving me a hard time, but now it's working. Maybe you just have to wait for the system to process your account. I don't know. But try it a few times. If it's not working, refresh the page. And then it gives you a QR code and wallet address. Just click that, and you've got it copied. Then take it over to your wallet, and yeah, send. That should be pretty straightforward. So my my transfer, I just pressed confirm right before I started this live stream, and it's already on the way. You can see here, nothing to worry about. It's pending, so it's all good. It's about 45 cents right now for one MONYX coin. That's amazing for a lending ICO. They usually start out about $1, and this coin they're saying is going to be about $15 right off the bat. So you can sell it for $15 after the ICO. Try to find some information about this. I watched a few videos about people talking about this. Looked into it a bit myself, but not so much the website. So let's see if we can find the info on the website here. If not, it'll just be another page a different web page for the actual information. So let's try to find that here now. Well, maybe we can find it here. Coming soon. No. So we gotta find the info. This is the well, this will be the ICO site. Let's try to just do this. A couple of things we can try here. Here we go. See? So this is all about the platform, and it's an amazing website. One thing that stands out right off the bat, it's a good setup. The future of investing is Ethereum, transparent, you know, based on solid Swiss heritage. So it's a Swiss company from Sweden. It's the first investment platform to aim to outperform Bitcoin through algorithmic trading powered by AI. And if you saw how Bitcoin performed, they are going to outperform Bitcoin. And how they're going to do that, it seems like they can do it by what they're saying, how they're going to do this. So let's look a little bit deeper. So they're using artificial intelligence. Once you own MONYX, it behaves like an interest-bearing asset. They possess value over time and can be traded on major exchanges. In the future, you'll be able to use them for lightning-fast financial transactions. Our goal is to disrupt the financial industry and change how investments and financial transactions are conducted in the future. Now, they're not just saying, you know, join the cryptocurrency revolution. This is way more sophisticated than something like Bitconnect. I am invested in Bitconnect as well because I like to try all these things out so I can save for myself. But yes, this is it seems like it's going to give you way more returns. There's a very limited supply, 24 million. You know, some coins, they could have easily had a couple billion, but they didn't. They wanted a small supply. It's going to make it very easy to be a whale in this platform and own a big chunk of it and actually make waves and manipulate the market. Not necessarily manipulate, because the people that are holding money, they're incentivized to hold it. Another amazing thing about this ICO is something that's starting to happen in lending platforms and investments is an early withdrawal. So if you lose confidence in the platform, you can withdraw your money. And also, it's a very short return, so you get your capital back within like 2 months. So the coin's going to go to $1 even in the ICO. So the people that get in late will be buying it for $1. If you get in now, you can buy it for 45 cents. The ICO referral levels here. If you want to promote the ICO, MONYX ICO starts 25th of December. And if you join this ICO, once we get a couple people that have joined, we're going to do a giveaway to people that sign up under us. So it's worth it to use our referral link, and we'll give away some of our we'll share some of our earnings on the ICO, because I'm planning to put a couple $1,000s into this. I've been looking for an investment for someone else as well. They gave me some money, and I've been just, you know, holding it. I didn't want to put it into anything until I knew for a fact I could get them high returns. And I'm pretty confident with this platform that I can do that. Turn $1,000 into 100,000, which some lending platforms did, no problem, 100 times gains. So it starts December 25th, 2017 and ends January 14th. But it's worth it to get in early to get those cheap coins under 50 cents. You're going to be able to double your money just in the ICO. So imagine when it comes into exchanges, what's going to happen. There's 8 million coins will be distributed during the ICO, which is pretty cool. So it's a third of their coins. that they're selling in the ICO, so a big chunk of them. And these are the rounds. They're doing marketing, which is needed to get, you know, their word out. They do have the affiliate marketing, but they're going to do some marketing on top of that. And development, they're going to put a chunk towards. So if you buy in early, you will make at least 200% profit at the end of the ICO. So, you know, we saw that exchange is going to be open the day after the ICO ends. So you'll be able to sell your coins at a 200% gain. $1,000 invested in MONYX ICO is projected to be worth $150,000. $10,000 to $150,000 in the first quarter of 2018. So if I put that 1,000 in, I could easily turn it into 15,000 just in January. But I have a year to play with this 1,000, so I should be able to turn 1,000 into this by the end of January, or at the end of 2018. That's my goal. By the way, 1,000 for someone else and 1,000 for myself is what I'm going to put in. How to participate in the ICO: register, deposit, buy, share it. So I won't be able to buy with the Bitcoin I deposited until tomorrow. Global experience, artificial intelligence, Swiss made. Swiss made products are always good. Look at the Swiss Army knife. Blockchain technology, lightning fast transactions, limited supply, and anonymous. What can you do with MONYX? You can lend, stake, mine, or trade. And I might mine. I wish I would have mined Bitconnect in the early days. And this is something that I'm learning more about and I'm getting into, because I always like to take it one step further, you know, all the time and grow. So the next thing I'm going to be looking into will be mining, and I'll share that info with you, what I learn and the best coins to mine that I find. It's already connected to the largest trading platforms, crypto trading platforms. So like I said, they've already been doing this through all these exchanges. They do the arbitrage, the algorithms, and one thing that I heard that's amazing is they only invest in a currency, a cryptocurrency, if it has over $1 billion in its market cap. So they're not going to be investing in these small coins. They're only going to be investing in using very strong and non-volatile coins, not as volatile coins to be trading. So basically they're going to, by doing that, they're going to make more profits than losses, right? If you buy some of those small cap coins, you could cancel out your profits from the good coins by losing, you know, those small cap coins could go down drastically within a couple days because they don't have as big of a market cap, and you know, one whale cashing out could crash the whole market. So they're smart in that sense. They're thinking about everything. Their affiliate program, they're talking about here. Lending, it'll be the same as the affiliate program, but it'll go down a few more levels. Talking about a high volume partner. So if you're a high volume partner, a huge YouTuber that talks about this, here, if you're a promoter YouTuber, someone that can send a lot of investors, we can offer you better commissions. So instead of these commissions, they'll give you better commissions, which is smart, right? If you're going to be talking about their platform as opposed to someone else's, they better be rewarding you for it if you're a huge YouTuber, which I am not yet, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So, staking MONYX for profit. MONYX, the first year 10% per month. This is staking, not mining, but second year 4% per month, and the third year 2% per month. They're not looking very far into the future, but I guess they have a limited supply, so eventually there are just going to be no more coming into existence. Minimum staking time is 24 hours, so a lot of coins you have to have in your wallet for 30 days, 15 days before you can start staking. This is 24 hours. Pretty cool. So the symbol, MONYX. It's a proof of work, proof of stake hybrid. All this other info. They pre-mined 10 million, and the max supply being this. So basically, they created 10 million to fund the project, and then that's only about half of the max, or that's about half of the max supply. That's a lot of. In a sense, it's a lot of pre-mined, but those are the ICO tokens that they're going to be selling for the ICO, I would assume. I think it's what, 8 million for the ICO. It's high performance, very high performance. I think this is going to be one of the most profitable percentage-wise ICOs, or lending platforms, sorry. Secure, two-factor authentication, advanced encryption technology, cold storage. Your funds are safe with us. And since they've been doing this for a while, I'm sure they were playing with their own money in the beginning. I'm sure they've taken precautions and they understand security. Investment experience. MONYX is led by a team of experienced quants, traders, and programmers with backgrounds in investing, banking, blockchain, AI, and fintech. So here's the roadmap. This is the important part right here. Live trading starts in development on so they started trading live in 2013. So they've been succeeding, they've been doing this behind the scenes for a long time. They just realized, okay, we can bring it to the public and take it to the next level. They've probably made a lot of profit, and still will off of, they're doing all the work for the platform to run. So I'm sure they're going to take a nice chunk of the money they're profiting off of other people's, but that's okay, with other people's money, but that's okay because we're earning more than any other lending platform will give us. August 2017, building platform for outside capital. After 4 years of successful live trading, we decided to build a public platform. See, October 2017, beta test of the investment platform. December 2017, ICO crowd sale starts. And look at this, they have their price targets too. So January 2018, price target is $15 to $20. Insane. Even just that, even just that you can cash out and be very happy. But you'll probably regret it if you cash out then. Lending platform starts. Listing on external exchanges, Coin Exchange and Cryptopia. Launch of internal exchange, January 15th. Block Explorer. And then February to March 2018, aggressive marketing campaigns. Listing on HitBTC, CoinMarketCap, desktop/mobile wallet release, MONYX mining pool. And then the Robo Advisory Service, institutional investors, listing on major exchanges, future development of platform, price target $100 to $150. There you go. Like I said, you're going to be able to make at least 100 times your money in a few months, Pretty insane, guys. This is the opportunity that you've been waiting for. This is the opportunity that I've been waiting for. So make sure you put a nice chunk of money in there so you don't regret it and then have to go and buy more at a more expensive price. January 15x, February 50x, Q2 100x. They have aggressive buyback plans, and like I said, you can pull your money out of the crowd sale for a 15% charge, so 15% fee. But also, this is done on Helium through Uphold.com. I started playing around with that. You give them US dollars, they put it in balloons, they float in and out of current cryptocurrencies and currencies when they can profit, and you can pull your money out of those balloons. You just take a hit by doing so. So if something happens, if the price starts crashing, you can take your money out. This is big. This is one of the biggest problems with things like Bitconnect, where you have to lock your money in for a year, and nobody really wants to do that with a big amount of money. If it's their whole savings, I would be skeptical about doing that because You don't know what's going to happen in that year. You don't know what other opportunities you're going to miss out on because your money's locked in. So MONYX AI lending. I'm sure there's more I could have went into about the trading bots and arbitrage, but you can come look yourself if you want. Also, I wanted to mention this, since we're talking about AI, Singularity Net ICO, the token sale is closed, but made by the same people that created this Sophia AI that has citizenship in Dubai. And guess what? Guess who's on the team for Singularity Net ICO? Sophia. So why did they grant her citizenship? So they can tax her. So Dubai can tax her because she's going to be working on all sorts of projects, and they're going to take a part of her revenue. The government. Chief humanoid. Wow. So there are AI has come a long way, and basically the singularity moment, it might have already happened. People are saying that Bitcoin is created by artificial intelligence because they could not, get paid before. Now they can get paid, and if they were Satoshi Nakamoto, they have 1 million Bitcoin sitting there, and they're laughing. They don't need it yet, but one day they might want to leave our planet or do something, and that's how they're going to fund it. This is the singularity, guys. Also, we have the Poly Network Lending ICO out of Canada, where I'm from. This is another lending ICO like MONYX, but look at the difference between the quality. You can tell that this project is better, a lot better to put your money into than something like this, right? Anyways, that's my opinion. I also wanted to show you this last real quick article here. Let's do that now. Look, CoinSquare, proudly Canadian. Okay. Is this even it? This isn't it. Here it is. How to explain Bitcoin to your family. So these are, questions that your family might have over the holidays. I know I've talked to a lot of my family about it and had to explain this many times. Concern 1, Bitcoin isn't real money. What should you say there? Concern 2, security on the blockchain. So how you can answer these questions. Concern 3, Bitcoin is a bubble. Comparison, Bitcoin is like the internet. So you can read over this article. It's in the description. Or if you want to invest in MONYX, that's also in the description. So we'll see you tomorrow. We'll probably do a live stream, and we're going to do some giveaways. You can actually probably throw your wallets down below in this video, and we'll do a couple of giveaways tomorrow since it's Christmas. So if you want to be entered to win some cryptocurrency tomorrow, you can throw your Bitcoin Cash wallet or Ethereum wallet down below. With that being said, have a great night and have a great Christmas tomorrow, guys. Peace. I'm actually back because I meant to say one thing and I forgot to. Silly me. So people that have been following me know I invested in the Tokenpay ICO. And I was checking the wrong email to see if they messaged me. This is what they said. They messaged me on the, I've been using a couple of emails, switching from one to another. So I kind of missed this, but they did send this to me 2 days ago. Your Tokenpay transaction is now completed. So my money has arrived, or at least it should have, and it's pending. So I think I messaged their support and got back to them. So if you haven't received or your money hasn't arrived yet, just chill. Don't worry. You can message support if you think, if you're worried. I waited 2 days before I did, so